So hello there, this is Ívar by Ívar's Fly Workshop and welcome to the channel. Today we are tying one of Kristján Gíslason's flies. It's an all Icelandic pattern and we are using thread number 8, the black uni, and we'll start to get the thread stuck to the shank of the hook. This fly is called Skröggur. Skröggur would be translated as Scrooge, like from the story, Christmas story. But Skröggur is, an all Icelandic pattern, and we are tying that today. And the butt of the fly, we start by taking this oval silver, which I just showed you guys. It's an uni medium oval silver. And we start to make the butt of the fly. And we do like four or five rounds or wraps around the hook shank. And we get the tinsel like this, just back, and make sure that you grab it with your thread. When we wrap the thread forward and attach the rest of the silver to the hook, snip off the end and prepare the next round of silver. But the hooks we are using for this fly, that's an RX standard double number 8. It's a nice hooks. And the rib of the fly is, that's an oval silver as well. So that's what we are attaching down there to the shank of the hook. And the body of the fly is made out of black floss, and the tail of the fly is made out of orange rooster feather. I'm using it's like a short hackle. It doesn't actually matter what kind of rooster feather you use, as long as they are, kind of with those fibers in this length and with this same color. But we just pinch off the feather stem, like a few fibers, and get them down to the shank of the hook. And we do like this and leave the tail there, something like that. And then we get our thread forward, snip off the tag end, of course, and then we trim off those tiny fibers which are in the way. And the next thing what to take, that's the black floss. I'm using an uni floss for this one as well. And we get that to the hook. Sorry, this is not a floss, this is just an aurora yarn. It's a black aurora yarn. Excuse me for picking the wrong word for it. And the aurora yarn is really strong and good material to work with. And forming the body with the aurora yarn is like, I'd say, kind of like an easy job. And if you're tying smaller flies, you can split the yarn because there are 6 strands in it. So you can easily split it down to 3 or 4 or even 2 if you're tying a really small hook. This is the same material I use for the body of the Francis fly. And now we are going to make the rib of the fly. That's just the oval silver wrapped around the body. I use the hackle pliers for this simply because it's like gives you a space. It gives you a space to work with, and then we lock down the oval tinsel. Snip that end off there, and then you'll be preparing the beard and the wing of the fly, and we are using a squirrel. It's like a vineyard squirrel. We're using black for this fly, a Skröggur. Kristján has many flies. He has the krabbla. He has yeah, so many of them. And to measure out the length of the beard of the fly, according to the pattern in the book, we are supposed to keep it a little longer than a normal beard would look like. So we trim off the end of the fibers, and this trick with the head cement and when you're working with squirrel, it's like for me this is like a life-saving, game-changer thing, really. It helps a lot to keep everything in place and everything in control. I can pinch out the fibers that are not supposed to be there, and then just attach the rest very easily to the shank. And you get like a space as well to like adjust the beard and get it in the preferred place. I feel it's like sticking a little bit too much out, and then I'll just push it down, get the thread on it like this. And it's okay if the beard on this fly goes all the way to the barbs of the hook, even a little bit further back. Now the wing is the last step, and we use like a long fibers for the wing, and I pinch out all the underfur, and you will get like a even length of the fibers that are left. And another benefit with it is it's gonna stay in place. It's unlike if you use a hair stacker. It's a little different method. So we're almost done. Just have to build up the head of the fly and finish a knot with the whip finishing tool. Give it a couple of knots and place the head cement on it, or the varnish. You're doing like 2 knots. It's gonna be fine with 2 knots. Trim off the end and then do the pinch up. The Skröggur is an all Icelandic pattern, and I would love to hear from you guys if you are repeating after the flies we are making here on the channel, and if you are using them somewhere else than in Iceland. I would be very much interested to hear some stories in the comments, or you can drop me an email as well. So the fly is ready, Skröggur. So I just want to say thanks for watching. Remember to share, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.